everyone, my name is Stacey Chapman and welcome to my kitchen. This month's recipe is air fried tuna patties. The following ingredients are needed for this recipe. 1 can of light tuna in water, drained, 1 medium egg, 1/4 cup of breadcrumbs, 1 cup of cheddar cheese, and a half tablespoon of black pepper. Mix all ingredients together. After mixing the ingredients in a bowl, create your patties. This recipe will create 4 patties. Also, spray your air fryer pan with a Pam or something that is going to coat so your patties do not stick. Place your patties in your air fryer for 15 minutes at 390 degrees Fahrenheit. At the end of 15 minutes, remove your tuna patties from the air fryer and let them cool, and they are ready to serve. This recipe is full of omega-3, protein, and calcium. Enjoy!